Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on your Alibaba account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start shopping. Now, if you wish to change the currency, then you will find this option at the top section. Click on the language and currency option and you will see the drop-down menu. Just click on the drop-down menu underneath currency and you will be able to choose from the list of various different currencies that are available within Alibaba. Once you click on your desired currency, just click on the save button and the currency will now be displayed with the one that you just chose. You can change this setting at any time you wish by going back into the currency and language menu and choosing your preferred one right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency on your Alibaba account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.